In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact WordPress. Whether you're encountering an issue, looking for some guidance, or just have a question, reaching out for support is easier than you might think. Let's dive in and walk you through the process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. This is your gateway to a plethora of resources, including support. Once you're there, you might notice it's not just a place for support. WordPress.com allows you to build a site, sell your products, start a blog, and much more. But for now, let's focus on getting you the help you need. Upon landing on the homepage, your immediate step is to log into your WordPress account. Simply look for the login button, which is quite visible. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Now, for many of us, Google has become an integrated part of our digital lives. If that's the case for you, you'll appreciate the convenience of the Continue with Google option. This bypasses the need to remember yet another password using your Google account to sign in instead. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use, if you have more than one. Pick the one associated with your WordPress endeavors for a seamless experience. Selecting your account will redirect you to a confirmation page, where, for security and continuity purposes, you're asked to click Continue. This assures both Google and WordPress that it's indeed you who's logging in. Successfully logged in, you're directed to the My Home dashboard of your WordPress site. This is the control room of your online presence where creativity and functionality meld. However, we're here with a different purpose: to contact support. On the My Home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a question mark icon subtly beckoning for your click. This is your portal to WordPress support. The design is intuitive, ensuring help is always within easy reach, blending seamlessly into your workflow. Clicking the question mark icon unwraps a variety of support options. You can type in your question or issue in the search bar to find helpful articles, or you might browse through the recommended resources. It's designed to be a comprehensive self-help library at your fingertips, but it's also your direct line to more personalized assistance if needed. At this stage, you've successfully navigated to where WordPress houses its support and resources. Whether you're seeking to troubleshoot a problem yourself or needing to reach out to someone who can, you've come to the right place. Before wrapping up, let's go over a few additional tips to make your support experience as smooth as possible. Always try to be as specific as you can when describing your issue. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for the support team or the resource articles to offer a solution. And remember, patience is key. While WordPress aims to provide timely support, response times can vary based on the complexity of your issue and their current queue. So that concludes our guide on how to contact WordPress support. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, knowing how to seek help is fundamental. It ensures you can always navigate through any hiccups and keep your site running smoothly. Remember, every great website has a great support story behind it. Don't hesitate to make use of the resources and support available to you through WordPress.com. Happy blogging, selling, or whatever your WordPress endeavor may be.